Hello loves, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. OMG, I have a fun VR to share with you. This is actually for Crafting to Cope, Alyssa. I love her channel. I'll have all her info below. But she is having a strawberry shortcake challenge. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I created for her challenge. Alright, I am so excited. I am from the strawberry shortcake times when I was a little girl. So I love strawberry shortcake. If you don't know about strawberry shortcake, then you just don't understand. But the smell of the strawberries from her, OMG, amazing. So I've always been a fan of strawberry shortcake, not only because she is pink and she smells yummy, but she's super cute. So let me show you what I created for her challenge. So she is having a birthday challenge where she is making a strawberry shortcake journal, and all entries have to be in by August 5th. So I decided I had to make something for her, not only for her birthday, but for her challenge, because OMG, I love strawberry shortcake. So let me show you what I created. I did create some stuff for her. So let me put everything to the side. So the first thing, we had to make an ATC. So, and we could do it in any theme. You could do a strawberry shortcake or the theme that you like. I personally like Halloween, so I created this cutie Stay Spooky ATC. And I still gotta add my info in the back, so I'll be adding that before I send this out. But look at that. And this is actually a sticker from Temu, which I hauled, which you'll see that video coming soon. I hauled that. I made that. And I did ink the sides. Look at that. Love, love, love. So there goes my ATC. I did gift her some strawberry shortcake sticky notes. And not only can she use the sticky notes, but she can even use the little cardboard in the back and recycle it into her journal. I'm also gifting this acrylic clip, which is strawberry theme. Now this is a strawberry theme, but I do love this die. And what it is like a rip edge ruler die. So I did send her some of these, which is my fave. I'm sending her some of those to add in her journal. I also created this little card for her. I'm not going to write in there, but it's a little birthday card. I did pop this on some foam. This die right here, the background die, is from my creative time. So I did add a strawberry shortcake sticker and the flowers, and I added some jemmies. Because you know me, I have to have it blinged out. And then I stamped it with "Have a Berry Happy Birthday." And I added the strawberry shortcake sticker right there. I'm going to leave this blank so she could actually use it in her journal or even gift it to someone. So I'll leave a little note in there for her. I got that. Next thing I have here are some stickers. Now they have tons of different stickers in here. I won't open it in case she sees this video. But yeah, this has different sizes of stickers. Now, the biggest sticker that was in here, I used it to create this bookmark. And this is a sticker that came in the package, which look how cute it is. It says Cutie Pie. And I did put it back with some glitter cardstock, just so it's not just white. And I did a junk journal charm, so that's all the beaded stuff on there. Look at that. I thought it came out super cute and really nice for a journal. Well, look at that. Love, love, love. Love it. I did add an eyelet just to give it some more support. So I created that. And then the last thing I created for her is dangle, and I reuse the packaging from the stickers so that she could also use it for her journal. And this is the altered keychain. So this was actually a keychain I hauled from Shein, and I went ahead and altered it by adding some of my own beads right here. I kept the keychain. Look how beautiful it is. It did come with this side one with a bow and strawberry dessert, and like I said, I added these beads here just to get it more chunky, so I altered that. So this is actually an altered keychain, and it does come with the strawberry clasp right there, so I figured she could use that for her journal, or even to pocket it, to put it in her on her purse charm or something like that. But yeah, that's what I created for Alyssa. Like I said, I love her channel. I love watching her channel, and best of all, I love Strawberry Shortcake. So like I said, I will have all her info below, so you go ahead and check out her channel. And if you still have time to participate in her challenge, because it's due August 5th, so go ahead and check her out and leave me a thumbs up and let me know what is your favorite. I love how everything turned out. Subscribe if you haven't, because I sure would love to have you in my crafty family. Hit the notifications so you never miss a video. And stay crafty, keep creating, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.